Amphenol ICC SAS and PCIe 4.0 U.2 and U.3 connectors meet the latest requirements for high-performance storage and PCIe devices in storage servers, mezzanine cards, and external storage systems. The connectors support PCIe devices with up to 4 ports at 16 gigatransfers per second, and SAS and SATA drives at up to 24 gigabits per second. They enable interfaces, mate with unshielded dual-port SFF8680 connectors, and are backwards compatible with previous generation connectors. The connectors also support hot plug applications with staggered length contacts, and contacts are copper alloy with gold over nickel plating. The housing is constructed from high temperature thermoplastic with molded guideposts to align the connectors and facilitate mating. Amphenol ICC SAS and PCIe 4.0 U.2 and U.3 connectors are rated for 500 mating cycles and have stamped clips that provide a robust mechanical connection to the PCB.